We treat everything from playground falls to spinal fusions.
I am a grandmother of 7, just had my 65th birthday. I am in no pain now, and I just love AOA.
AOA has helped me get back to doing the things I love.
I was able to return to work. I was able to ride my Harley again.
They have the experience and care for the patient.
The full breadth of my practice is 5 or 6 years old to 105 years old. We treat everything here.
Orthopedic care evolves across a patient's lifetime pretty consistently, and that's why we're here at AOA.
From hand surgery to sports medicine, from spine reconstruction to joint replacement, we really span the breadth of orthopedic care.
You want to get back to doing what you were doing? I came in and saw them. They know their stuff.
At AOA, our goal is to keep you doing what you love doing, no matter what your age.